All right. This is MC for Web3 TV, and we are here in the beautiful Address Marina. And the special event we're here right now is called ABC Web3 Conclave. ABC is all about connecting. So I'm here with my special friend from all the way from Europe. I don't know where in Europe, but I'm sure he's going to tell me. And I saw EY Law, so I'm like, oh, he's working on some little legal something. So welcome to Web3 TV. So please introduce yourself, who you are, where you're from, and what do you do?
Yeah, sure. Happy to do that. My name is Martin Hanzl. I'm actually based in Austria, so Vienna. Maybe some of you know that. And I'm a lawyer, so I know it sounds boring, but the crypto regulation is also very important. And I'm actually in the UAE to talk about the upcoming markets and crypto assets regulation.
Kind of give our audience, just a little brief about what is MiCA or MiCA, however you want to pronounce it. What's it all about, basically?
Actually, the biggest question is how you pronounce it, because there's still a lot of debate about that. I would go with MiCA, but apart from that, MiCA is going to have a huge business opportunity because right now the regulatory landscape is that you have 27 different member states, you have 27 different jurisdictions, and you have to have a registration in each of them. And with MiCA, you will just need one single license, and then you will be able to market within the whole European market. So 450 plus million people could be your potential clients with MiCA.
Okay, so basically the MiCA is on an international level. It's not like a single country. This is like all across the board.
All across the European Union, and you will have access to 450 plus million people. Yeah, absolutely.
Okay, but I got to ask you, like, why? Okay, like now, why should people care about operating their businesses in the European Union, specifically for Web3 companies, blockchain companies? Why does that matter?
I mean, you can actually, and I think that is in Web3 especially, the biggest part. You can operate from anywhere, right? But if you want to target European customers, the European regulators will require you to have this MiCA license. So kind of, if you don't want to miss out on the European market, you will at some point have to obtain a MiCA license.
Yeah, no, I love that. Because I just find the European Union way more favorable than what we're seeing like in the United States, or say like India, or some other countries. So it's quite interesting to see, like regulators or lawmakers, what? Let's be business savvy. Let's bring the best talent, the best people, and let's benefit from this. So it's great to see that, actually, to be honest.
Absolutely, I fully agree. And as a lawyer, I love regulation, I gotta say.
Yeah. That's cool. I guess my next question is, as a lawyer, as part of the EY law firm, or I guess the group, what are you guys are excited about in the Web3 space? Is there anything that you're excited about personally, and as a company, is there anything you guys are looking forward to?
I mean, actually, we're really looking forward to MiCA, to having kind of this clear framework, a clear regulation, because I think that it will actually boost innovation. Because within MiCA, you will have a lot of different business opportunities. You will have, for example, e-money tokens, asset reference tokens, which is a new classification under the MiCA framework. Will make it possible to reference at the token to a value such as gold or other precious metals. And this is actually a totally new product that then can also be marketed within the European Union. And that is actually something I'm very, very excited about.
Right, because now real world assets as a trend, it's not just a fad, it's actually going to be a real thing.
Absolutely, fully agree. And kind of with these asset reference tokens, you really have now a possibility to market that throughout the European Union. So I'm really excited about that one.
But what about like, say, for regular people to have access to real world assets, in terms of in a fractional way or whatever? Obviously, either they go to the DeFi or they go to exchanges, I guess, right? In some to roughly state it. Would the exchanges benefit from MiCA?
Centralized exchanges definitely will benefit from MiCA, because they have this clear framework where they know how they can operate. And this is, I think this is the really huge thing. With a MiCA license, you're allowed to have advertisement throughout the European Union, and you can actively market your services, because right now you're not allowed to.
Oh, right. There's a lot of the marketing restrictions. Okay, okay, that actually gonna make business faster, easier, and reliable. So, hey, but like, one last thing. I mean, I'm sure you got some lawyer friends who are outside of the Web3 space, right? They were working in TradFi, or they're like trial lawyers or something, right? Now, but I'm sure they're curious about Web3. So, what would be your clarion call or your message to your friends in the TradFi or the lawyer space? Like, hey, you know what? There's opportunities for lawyers in Web3. What would that be?
I think actually it's super exciting to work in Web3, and this is the one chance where you really see something new kind of every day, and with every new client there's always something new, and that makes it exciting, and that is something that is especially for lawyers something exciting and something, I don't know, it's very rare, and I get really excited talking about it. So I would say go to Web3, because here you will see something new like every day.
And that's awesome. Hey, Martin, hey, first of all, thank you so much for your time. And hey, thank you for your service to the Web3 space. We definitely need more people who are, who are, trying to make an impact in a legal way, but also trying to simplify the laws and codes, so that, we can do business together, we could have prosperity together. So I'm excited. So I'm excited. So anyways, fam, we're excited to be here. So we gotta go. So y'all be good. Y'all be safe. We'll talk to you soon. Bye for now.